something like that. So, what do you want to do?
They're letting me decide.
It's your castle.
Are you not maid?
Well, I'm a maid. I mean, I was a maid. But, you know, it's fire. Well, when things get tough, my brother and sister and I...
Follow me.
Fergus?
Good morning. Perfect timing. Your schedule. Holiday tea in the blue room, followed by the nativity scene unveiling, the royal charity Christmas visit, and a late supper in the gold room.
And that's just for today.
It is. As you can see, preparations are underway for the Christmas Eve gala. It's a time-honored tradition. Nothing has changed for the last 300 years.
Not even the guest list?
If they're still standing, they'll be here. You won't be attending, of course, but you will be in the background.
This old lace looks great. And so do those pine cones.
And a little gold paint.
Fergus tells me you're an artist.
Good night, guys.
Max, please.
I should probably...
Good night.
Good night. You want to see me? I sure do. You bring me. Wonderful acoustics in here.
Not the original German. A Christmas
Thing.
Oh, and you're just the right age.
Look at the beams. Behind.